Well, this video is to show you how to put your data from your Google Forms into a collated spreadsheet for the purpose of uploading this data into NZGrapher. So what we need to do first of all is open our test. So my first test here is for the mail surfer. I'm going to go to my responses, and what you're going to do is you're going to view responses in sheets. Okay, once we have these responses, the key part of information that we want here are these. So select the data that you need, and you're going to copy it. We don't need the timestamp part of this. Once you have that, you're going to create a new Google Sheet, and in column A, I want to put in the gender for this example, and in column B, I'm going to put in the data. Now, all of these are males, so what I'm going to do is drag down to the bottom there where the males go down to, and then obviously the next ones are going to be females. So I will then open paytest 2. I will do the same thing again. I will view my responses, and I am going to open them in a Google Sheet. Again, we're going to select just the data that we need, Control C to copy it, put it into our next one, again in column B, and we're going to paste it into there. You'll notice that some of the results are a little bit higher than we would have hoped, but we can deal with them later. So again, clicking in that corner there, and dragging down to the end of the data. If you set it up like this, you will now easily be able to put the data into NZGrapher.